MarineMax Lake Norman with the 230 Solstice from Harris. This one is equipped with a 250 V8 Mercury Verado engine. It is equipped with a swim seat, rear ladder, tow bar here. You have your fenders storage on the back. Rear couch, the layout with the side couch. Coming up to the driver's helm, you got single SIMRAD as well as analog gauges, DTS throttle, push button start for the 250 Verado. Tons of storage up front. This boat is equipped with the center console or the cooler ottoman, I'm sorry, and below deck storage, in-tune storage for the center here, as well as your JL audio with the 12-inch subwoofer. Also with this particular Solstice, you have the tower and bimini option from XTP. Open up the world for some water sports on the lake. Check this one out and many other Harris pontoons here at Lake Norman MarineMax. Thanks.